Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for everything related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin. Whether you're a newbie looking to set up your first wallet or a seasoned miner, we've got you covered. Stay tuned and watch till end as we guide you through the steps to secure your Bitcoins and explore the fascinating world of mining. Let's jump right in. Setting up a Bitcoin wallet and getting started with Bitcoin mining are two separate processes. Bitcoin mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions on the Bitcoin network, while a Bitcoin wallet is used to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Here, I'll provide you with steps for setting up a Bitcoin wallet and then briefly explain how to get started with mining. Setting up a Bitcoin wallet. Number 1. Choose a wallet type. There are several types of Bitcoin wallets, including software wallets and hardware wallets. Select the one that suits your needs and security preferences. Number 2. Download/get your wallet. If you opt for a software wallet, visit the official website of the wallet provider and download the wallet application. For hardware wallets, purchase one from a reputable source. Number 3. Install and set up. For software wallets, install the wallet app on your device. Follow the setup instructions provided by the wallet, which typically include creating a new wallet, setting a strong password, and generating a backup seed phrase. Store this seed phrase securely, as it's essential for wallet recovery. Number 4. Secure your wallet. Implement additional security measures, such as enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, if your wallet supports it. Keep your wallet software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Number 5. Receive Bitcoin. Once your wallet is set up, you can receive Bitcoin by sharing your wallet address with others. Number 6. Send Bitcoin to send Bitcoin. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Getting started with Bitcoin mining. Number 1. Get mining hardware. Invest in specialized mining hardware, such as a SiC application-specific integrated circuit miners, as they are more efficient than regular CPUs or GPUs. Number 2. Choose a mining pool. Join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning Bitcoin. Mining pools combine the computing power of multiple miners to solve blocks and share the rewards. Download mining software. Download and install mining software compatible with your hardware. Popular options include Cheeminer and BF Miner. Number 4. Configure and start mining. Configure your mining software with the pool's details and your Bitcoin wallet address. Start mining and monitor your progress. Number 5. Secure your earnings. Once you earn Bitcoin through mining, transfer it to your secure Bitcoin wallet. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found our guide to setting up a Bitcoin wallet and getting started with Bitcoin mining both informative and exciting. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fantastic content. Until next time, keep hodling, keep learning, and may your Bitcoin endeavors be fruitful.